Linking your bank accounts to a budgeting app like PocketGuard is a common step toward better financial management, but it also raises a really important question: how secure is your money and your data? It's completely reasonable to be cautious. You're essentially giving a third-party app access to your financial history. So, let's break down the layers of security PocketGuard uses to keep your mind at ease. First, PocketGuard does not store your actual bank login credentials. That's a crucial point. Instead, they use trusted, industry-standard data aggregators like Plaid and Phoenix City to establish a secure connection. When you enter your credentials, they are encrypted and handled by these partners, who then connect to your bank. Second, the connection they establish is read-only. This is the biggest safeguard. Think of it like a one-way mirror. PocketGuard can look at your transactions and account balances to give you budgeting insights and track your spending, but they cannot move money in or out of your accounts, initiate payments, or make any changes. The app simply doesn't have the permissions for that. Third, PocketGuard employs bank-level security for your data. This includes 256-bit SSL encryption, which is the same security protocol that major financial institutions use to protect data in transit. Your information is scrambled while it travels between your bank servers and the app. Finally, they add security features on the app level itself. You can protect your account with a unique 4-digit PIN code, and you have the option to enable biometric security like Touch ID or Face ID. This means even if you lose your phone, your financial data remains locked down from anyone who tries to open the app. And, as an extra safety net, they offer a tool to remotely erase your information if your device is lost or stolen. So, is it secure? PocketGuard follows high industry standards by not storing your credentials, limiting their access to read-only, using bank-level encryption, and providing a double layer of protection with PIN and biometrics. For most users, this combination provides a strong foundation of safety, allowing you to focus on the benefit, taking control of your finances.